gel for men, suitable for body and hair washing, engine cleaning and software development.
We keep on adding new features to Leon, but we know that more than often, the less information on the screen, the better. So we've added a possibility to choose columns that will appear on the crew qualifications. Also, you can now define a trigger in the mobile qualifications config. This trigger will allow your crew to receive mobile push notifications only about near future flights and duty changes. You can now enter a default email or overflight permission requests in your country database. And last but not least, you can now modify the information contained in the Restrictions tab in the Airport Directory.
And you can find many more amendments from Sprint 142 in our release notes.